Tuesday, August 23rd, I'm meteorologist Quaylen Murphy with your Atlantic Bays and Tropics update that includes the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and the Atlantic Ocean. Yesterday, we got up to 7 named storms. Gaston, the latest name, Fiona, the 6th name, now finished, finito, post-tropical at this time. Here's Gaston picking up some steam. We'll show you this system in just a second. Also keeping an eye on a non-named system right now, Invest 99L. More to come on that. The latest look on Fiona is very much a ragged system. We have just the post-tropical remnants now. Here's the latest satellite showing that cloud cover and just some lingering showers and storms. Forecast models see are carrying this system mainly to the northwest, and still no impacts even as it works to the northwest as a remnant system. So we can put this one to bed. Finish with that, but still lots to deal with in the Atlantic Ocean. Thankfully, Gaston, even though it's strengthening, looks like it's going to keep its main center in the central of the Atlantic Ocean. So no impacts on land. Winds of 65 miles per hour, so a little stronger, moving west-northwest at 21 miles per hour. Visible satellite imagery also showing very symmetric system, so likely getting stronger because of showers and storms, able to get more organized, and that's what we find at this time. Here's the forecast model. Likely a Category 1 hurricane into Tuesday evening. That's tonight, and then we'll likely see it strengthen to even possibly Category 2 status into Wednesday, winds of 100 miles per hour. But again, the greatest news is that this system will likely live most of its life in the central Atlantic Ocean. No impacts on land. Of course, ships traveling will have to watch out for this system. Now, the big question mark goes on Invest 99L, and as we speak, hurricane hunters flying into this system to get the latest information. Right now, we do know that this system is just east of the Leeward Islands, the center of that. Lots of showers and storms is organized right now. West at 30, moving west at 17 miles per hour in the center, 35 miles per hour on this system. But as I mentioned, hurricane hunters making their way in. So of course, as the stats come in on this system, here's that plane now. As the stats come in throughout the morning and afternoon, we'll give you the latest updates right here on the weather app. Visible satellite imagery showing those showers and storms, not as organized as Gaston, but certainly starting to see more activity with this system. The question is, will it be enough to make it a tropical system? That's still a question that's a big one right now. We do have the satellite that shows us our dry air versus all the moisture. This is our water vapor imagery. You can see lots of moisture around the showers and storms. Of course, ahead of that drier air working over parts of Puerto Rico, and that drier air will continue on to the west over parts of Hispaniola. That's also the track of this system. Now notice water temperature is very much conducive for development in the tropics. Mid to upper 80s what we find, especially as we get closer to the Bahamas and to Florida, which is right now the potential track of whatever this may be, whether tropical or not. Here's a look at the ensemble models. A nice clustering here towards the Bahamas and even some clustering towards the eastern side of Florida. However, there are other models that show different solutions. So we're going to just keep on watching this system. In the meantime, I will show you what some of those other solutions are showing. This is our GFS showing again making progress towards the Leeward Islands, towards Puerto Rico, and then closer to Hispaniola as we get into Wednesday of this week. But notice as we get into Thursday, really not seeing too much here. So the question is, again, will this system develop? Now, let's push it a little bit more further into the weekend. We do see some potential development, but this could simply just be an area of low pressure, maybe a shower and storm producer. And then as we go into next week, sort of taking more of a track towards the western side of Florida. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. Another solution is the Euro model, and this one is also starting to trend more to the west. So again, nothing to be concerned about at this point. Of course, we'll keep you updated on the latest information, something though to certainly keep track of as we move throughout the week. Here's that big ridge of high pressure out here in the Atlantic Ocean. That clockwise flow will continue to help with the steering currents of all these systems as we have seen more of a westerly track for most of them so far. The Atlantic has enough going on out here, right? Thankfully, the Caribbean is much quieter, not too much happening here with showers and storms. One tropical wave here in the Bay of Campeche, no concerns for tropical development. Then we find a few other systems, areas and waves out there in the Pacific, no concern for us. Things are ramping up, no surprise, as we ramp up this hurricane season. The official peak day is September 10th. Even as we get into October, we could still see a nice crest of showers and storms, of potential tropical systems until we wind down. Final day of the season, far away from that, November 30th. Of course, we'll keep you posted on the latest throughout the afternoon hours. Meteorologist Jay Gallet and Chief Meteorologist Margaret Orr keeping you posted online as well. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for checking in here online at WDSU.com.